Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix Ubisoft Connection Lost. So let's get started. First, check the Ubisoft services status on their website. Over here, see if the servers are up or under maintenance. After that, check your internet connection. Restart your modem and router. Then try switching from Wi Fi to a wired connection or use a different source like a mobile hotspot. Then check your firewall settings. Open Firewall and Network Protection and click on Allow an app through Firewall. Over here, if Ubisoft Connect is not listed, click on Allow another app. After that, find the Ubisoft Connect app path. Right click Ubisoft Connect, select Open File Location and copy the path. Then browse to that location in the firewall window, select the app and click Add. Now make sure Ubisoft Connect is checked and allowed on public. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next